Let's go to fast talk. Let's go to fast talk. I think unahin ko na si Pedro sa fast talk.
Okay.
So one word or one short sentence only you can choose. Okay. Here we go. Real estate or stocks?
Real estate.
Passive income or active income?
Active.
Big risk or small risk?
Big risk.
Save money or invest money?
Invest money.
Canada or Philippines?
Philippines.
Philippines. Doon ako kinikilig pag Philippines, no?
No, lahat naman tayo, I think, pipiliin ng Philippines. Okay. Dream house or dream business?
Dream business.
One piece of advice for FWs.
One piece of advice I could give: invest in yourself. Try develop it, yung tamang mindset, and then have this kind of way when you develop yourself, because you will be a better communicator. To also, then will be the people will surround you, will also you will influence them in a way, because you can only control yourself, right? So invest in yourself first, and then the money will follow. The money will follow you, right? So yun yung para sa developing sarili mo, and then kumbaga pag na-develop ka sa sarili mo, kasi yung awareness yung maging aware ka, and then try to reach your goal. Yung goal mo, para lagi mo sang iniisip yung goal. Figure out what is your biggest why. Yun. Yung advice ko. Okay.
Thank you so much for that, Pedro. So, I will take that advice kasi napakaganda nun. So, para naman sa'yo, Miss Yang, let's do the fast talk.
Okay.
Business or employment?
Of course, business.
Online or traditional business?
Traditional business is okay. Pero in the future, it's online.
Online.
So you're looking forward,
Looking forward.
in the future.
Yes, looking forward.
Yeah,
But now,
okay.
of course, traditional.
Traditional.
Pero may halo na siyang online. But in the future kasi, we're becoming digital nga di ba?
Digital.
So lahat ng tao nasa bahay na. You have to yung transition ng business mo.
Yeah,
You
even
have to-
real estate business also became digital.
Yes.
Yan.
Right?
That was digital.
I can manage properties in other
True.
part of Canada or
Yeah.
even in the US. You can
Just-
buy and sell.
Diba?
Real estate, you just have to talk. And
Exactly.
Yun yung pinaka.
It's like other businesses, yung mga VAs, di ba? Freelancers.
Yes.
So, we do their business, even nasa ibang bansa ka, nasa Amerika sila. So,
Kasi akala
it's the same
nila pag
thing.
ganun kailangan mo mag-lift ng hammer.
Exactly.
So ano ba, mas kumikita, pukpok ka ng martilyo o magsasign?
Nagsasign ka na lang. Laki ng
Diba?
bayad niyan.
Malaki bayad nun.
Okay, let's continue. Big capital or small capital?
Small capital.
Leader or manager?
Leader.
So from your traditional business as entrepreneurship, can you share us one piece of advice for aspiring entrepreneurs?
My advice is, simple lang. Huwag matakot magsimula. Kasi lahat tayo nagsimula sa wala. So kung hindi ka magsisimula, wala kang mararating.
I love that. So in short, you need to take a risk talaga. So, Sir Pedro, before we end this conversation, the floor is yours. Please tell to our viewers about your project, businesses, or anything you'd like to promote. And where can people connect with you on your social media accounts?
Yeah. First of all, I'm really glad that being here. Salamat sa
So
invitation
glad to.
Yang and Michelle. So you can contact me in my Facebook page or in my Facebook profile. The same name, Pedro Clemente.
Sir Pedro.
So Pedro Clemente. You can follow me in Facebook and Instagram also. And also I have a community like Facebook group that I created.
So we will put it here.
So it's called CREO. So Canadian Real Estate Entrepreneur in Ontario. So you can join there even though you're in the Philippines or somewhere part in Canada. You can join there because there's a lot of people there that also an entrepreneur. It's not only for real estate. You can even talk about registered account. How can you save more or something else? But please, if you get an advice, guys, verify it. Not you just take an advice from a stranger or a person that you don't even really know, right?
Oh, okay,
So
that's
verify it with if you got an advice,
I'd love to join that.
and then research, and then if you it's like on the law thing, you have to consult lawyers or CPA or even it's a broker, mortgage broker or something else, or how to buy a house. You can join there, and then what else? Yeah, maybe that's all for me. Thank you so much, guys.
Oh,
You're welcome.
yeah.
Thank you so much
Thank you
also,
so much.
Pedro,
Ayun.
sa pagsama sa amin tonight. I mean, today in Canada, but tonight here in Philippines. And I think afternoon sa Paris, right, Miss Yang?
Afternoon, yes.
Ayun. So, thank you
Almost
so
5.
much.
Yan.
Yeah.
So, thank you so much, Pedro, sa pagsama sa amin. And to all our viewers, follow niyo po si Pedro Clemente sa kanyang mga social media account. At sa dami ng ginagawa pala niya sa social media, I think marami kayong matututunan sa kanya. At pwede kayong magtanong kung nakarelate kayo sa mga napagdaanan niya, sa mga na-experience niya, sa mga na-encounter niya, even sa mga ginagawa niya ngayon. Yan. Follow niyo po siya sa kanyang social media accounts. And it's your turn, Miss Yang. Please tell our viewers more about Tuktok North, your services, and where they can reach you, online man or traditional.
Tuktok North is located in Isabela. Talaga, Isabela, northern part of Luzon. So our services is we repair and we have a lot of accessories, spare parts whatsoever, and of course our special service is kung nasiraan sila sa daan is to the rescue talaga yung mga employees sa Tuktok. So don't hesitate to call us, and then we have also units. Kung kailangan nila ng mga units, is meron tayo. Lahat yan. Yan.
So thank you so much, Miss Yang. So all our viewers na kailangan na ng service ng Tuktok North, just please contact Miss Yang and follow her to her social media account as well. Meron pa ba kayong gusto mong share or something na malaman na ating mga
Ganito,
viewers?
ito.
Yan ba?
Meron lang, kasi lagi ko narinig to doon sa, ewan ko lang kung napapanood yun sa social media yung Heart School of Knox. Yung lalaki na
Sa Heart School.
yung lalaki na nag-interview ng mga millionaires. Yung alam yung lagi niyang sinasabi sa huli? If me or you guys will die tomorrow, what piece of
What is a
advice?
piece of advice that you
Simple
can
advice. Yeah. Kaya ginawa na natin kayo yun. Yun lang naman yung ano. Ikaw, Michelle, kasi
Ayun.
kami kayo na
Tanong mo
nagbigay
siya.
kami. Ikaw. Ikaw naman. if me
what-
or you will die tomorrow.
If you will die tomorrow, what is the
Yeah,
piece of
what
advice that I
advice?
can give to the younger
Yes.
generation or
This younger
maybe
generation.
dun sa mga gustong magnegosyo or yeah, because our topic is about business. I think
Yes.
I will give advice about business. So for me, na ma-advise ko sa business is huwag matakot sumubok. Kasi at makahanap ka dapat ng tamang nakakasama mo. Yes, you are right dun sa mga na-share niyo guys na we need a tamang community, tamang mindset, at tamang tao na nakapalibot sa atin. And for me, I think kailangan mo rin ng tamang tao na mapagkakatiwalaan at magtitiwala sa iyo. Because that just happened to me. Kaya yun yung masashare ko. Kasi umuwi ako dito sa Pilipinas na naubos talaga yung savings ko. Kasi parang biglaan because of the gera in Israel. That's why umuwi ako dito sa Pilipinas. Hindi ganun kalaki yung naiuwing pera. Kasi ano pa lang naman ako doon 3 taon pa lang. So syempre may sinusuportahan kang pamilya dito sa Pilipinas. So hindi ka talagang makakaiba ng ganun kalaking pera. But still, I built a business when I came back here in Philippines. Nag-umpisa ako sa bakery business. Pero dahil hindi ko alam kung paano patakbuhin ng bakery, bumagsak. In short, bumagsak siya. Even though nasa tamang community ako, may maayos akong mindset, pero kung mali naman yung mga taong nakuha ko, para tumayo dun sa system, hindi pwedeng ikaw lang yung magdadala eh. Kailangan lahat kayo magkakatulong na magbibuild at magdadala ng business para magtagumpay. Pero bumagsak siya. At siguro mali rin ako kasi pinasok ko ang isang negosyo na talagang I don't have any idea about that. I don't love baking, I don't love cooking. But still, sabi nga nila, napapag-aralan. Pero kung hindi ka masaya sa ginagawa mo, hindi mo yun, parang magiging ano mo na lang yun, source of income. Pero
Hanap
hindi mo
buhay.
siya, o hanap buhay. Pero hindi mo siya may scale because you are not happy from what you are doing. So I think yun yung mabibigay kong advice. Kailangan mo lang ng mga tao na magtitiwala sa'yo. At kailangan kapag binigay sa'yo yung tiwala na yun, panghawakan mo yun para magkaroon kayo ng successful na business in the future para magdire-diretso. So para sa akin, tiwala.
Yes.
Tiwala na mabigay sa'yo ng mga taong nagtiwala sa'yo at tiwala ka rin dapat na magtitiwala ka rin sa kanila na magsusuportahan kayo sa isa't isa even though hindi naman kayo magkakalapit at magkakatulungan pa rin kayo kasi nag-umpisa kayo. Ako kasi personally, nag-umpisa yung business na biniventure ko ngayon. Nag-umpisa talaga siya sa pag-aaral namin ng Word of God. So yun, maybe sa mga viewers natin dyan, kapag nakahanap niyo yung tamang kapareho niyo, gawin yung center of your business, center of your life, si God. Para alam niyo sa sarili niya na guided kayo sa kahit sino ng tao, yung ibigay sa ni God, na ito yung way niya, na gagamitin niya ang tao para umangat ka. Kasi personally, nangyari sa akin, bumagsak ako as in wala. Wala talaga, zero, back to zero. Even galing ka ng abroad o FW ka, hindi mo na paghandaan, may ganung situation dun sa bansang pinuntahan mo, so back to zero ka. Pero kapag ginawa mong center of your life, si God, ituturo ka niya sa mga tamang tao, makakasama mo. Kahit saan pa yan, mapa-services pa yan, mapa-product business pa yan, talagang kailangan mo lang talagang isa puso or magkaroon ka talaga ng faith. So yun yung share ko, a piece of advice dun sa mga aspiring entrepreneurs or maybe sa mga younger generation na gusto nyong mag-venture into business.
Ako yung question dun sa part na kung, di ba yung question ni Sir Pedro is another question for me. If you die today, ano yung masasabi mong ambag mo dito sa mundo? Ang tagal ko yang pinag-iisipan. Ano nga ba? Yung pag nawala ka, bigla-bigla pag nawala ka, ano yung naambag mo dito sa mundo?
We love that questions to our viewers or maybe you can comment in a comment section and from that question, from your answer na mababasa namin, matuto rin kami sa mga isasagot ninyo. Yan, sa question.
Okay.
If you and me will die tomorrow, ano yung maiiwan mong ambag dito sa mundo? So kung mamamatay na tayo bukas, ano ba yung naiwan mong ambag dito sa mundo? So, comment that in a comment section para kami rin naman matuto rin sa inyo.
Yes.
Parang ano yung naging purpose ng buhay mo? Ba't ka nabuhay? Tapos
Purpose.
namatay ka na lang bigla.
Mhm.
Di ba? Di ba? Parang sabi ko, ay, oo nga no, di ba? Parang, ano nga ba yung nagawa ko? Paano kung mamatay ako bukas? Yung ganon.
Yes, of course.
Yun.
How
Yun
about
dapat
you,
ang
Pedro? Maybe you can share also maybe a question, leave a question to our viewers as well. Maybe you can leave a questions.
Okay.
For them.
So the question is, what is your biggest why? Bakit ka bumabangon sa umaga? Lagi.
Yan.
Para saan? Para kanino ba? Yun
Ayun.
na lang yung tanong ko.
Yun.
What is your biggest
Panalo.
why?
Yan.
Tama. Bakit nga ba ikaw bumabangon?
Comment nyo. Comment down.
Hindi yung kape Comment
Oh,
sa
walang
kape.
yung comment ng Nescafe.
Huwag ka.
Yun lang. Kasi nabanggit na namin yung mga biggest why namin. Kayo,
yan.
kayo mga audience.
Ayun.
nanonood.
Okay. So for that, thank you so much to our guest tonight, Mr. Pedro Clemente and Miss Yang Santiago for sharing your experiences, insight, and lesson with us. And to all our viewers, especially to our OFW around the world, we hope tonight conversations give you ideas, inspiration, and maybe even the courage to start building something for your future. And remember, don't just work for income. Work for experience, work for growth, and work for the future you want to create. This is Inside 3M Diaries,
Real talk.
Real stories.
real experiences, and thank you so much for watching. God bless everyone, and see you on the next episode. But before I forget, I want to give something to Pedro
guest.
Clemente, to our guest. This is a product from the Gallery de Ophir. Kita ba? Well,
Yep.
This is a product from the Gallery de
A
Ophir.
perfume.
A perfume. Yeah.
Yes.
So I will open this. We will see this
Wow.
inside. Yeah.
I'm
So
sure my
this
wife will love it.
Yes, of course. Yeah. So specially manufactured from La Galerie de Ophir, and our oils is originally from
From France.
France.
Here.
Yeah,
Yan.
here in France,
But,
because Miss Yang is in France.
Made in the
that's
Philippines, so it's local brand, but the fragrance oil is from here. So yun.
Hindi talaga siya masyadong filter.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah.
Thanks
Yeah.
so much, guys. No.
Ayan. Thank you so
it's
much.
like-
I wish your wife will love this.
yeah. She'll definitely love that. I'm pretty sure.
So again, thank you so much.
Okay
sa
ka lang
pagsama
na
sa
mabango
akin
siya?
tonight.
Wala ka? Okay ka lang na mabango siya kahit wala ka.
Uwi ko. Gamitin mo yan ha pagka ano.
Umuwi na ako.
Pag uwi na ako.
So bawal spray kapag wala si Pedro.
Ayun.
So for that, thank you so much, and God bless sa mga nanonood sa atin. This is
God
this is the
bless.
end of our episode. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
See you on the
Bye.
next
God
episode.
bless.
Thank you,
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.